Today we're diving into the features of the Rolanstar Full Bed Frame with LED lights and charging station. A perfect blend of style and functionality for your modern bedroom. This bed frame is equipped with smart LED strips on both the headboard and footboard, offering 7 main colors, 12 scene modes, 3 speed levels, and 3 brightness settings to create the perfect ambiance, all easily controlled from the headboard. With built-in USB and Type-C charging ports, you can power up to 3 devices simultaneously without the need for extra adapters, keeping your bedside clutter-free. The bed also features 4 large sliding drawers, providing ample storage space for sheets, accessories, and off-season clothing, while the double pocket on the wingback is perfect for storing remotes and magazines. Upholstered in a neutral-toned, skin-friendly, and breathable linen fabric, this bed frame not only adds a touch of sophistication to any bedroom but also minimizes cleaning troubles with its dark gray, dirt-resistant color. Built with a solid stainless steel frame and wooden slats, this bed ensures durability and stability, supporting up to 1,200 pounds while providing a noise-free environment. Plus, the bolt-free quick lock assembly system makes setting up this bed a breeze, saving you time and energy.